Good afternoon, everybody. Steven from Break Free Homestead. Today, I'm going to be using this Yard Tuff landscape drag on a little lawn tractor. This lawn is mostly level, but there are some divots here and there. So we're just going to run it. I just dethatched the whole thing with the tow behind dethatcher, and now I'm going to run the drag behind. If this isn't what you're looking for, I have another drag video here, and that's more in depth. Hey, that video has an in-depth assembly of the unit and also using it to clear out more of a rough area. So this will give you a different perspective on the uses of this landscape drag. As you can see, some areas are broken up more than others, so some material moves around a little bit more. If you had some topsoil down or some loam, I think it would spread it nicely. And some does build up, but it's really not that bad. For just about $100, this unit is not that bad. It folds up and stores easily on a wall. I'll try to show you a close-up of some of the material. This area was a little bit more mossy and sandy, so it looks a little bit more broken up, and there's really not much grass left in there. There are some limitations to this unit, depending on how much grip and power your unit has. So you just have to change the weights out to, match it up. Thanks for watching. If you would consider subscribing, drop down below, hit the bell alerts, videos every Friday. Like I said, go over, check out the in-depth video of this. See you next time on Break Free Homestead.